All right, now let's see a demo of this REST API working. So first what we do is we create this upgrade.json file. And here we are upgrading a database from 11.204 to 19C, as we can see on the parameters. So I'm running the post method first in mode analyze. And here we have the task ID. Optionally, we can also get the task ID running a get against the tests endpoint. So here we have the task ID again, or we can even open this endpoint in a browser and get the list of all the tests we currently have for this auto-upgrade job. So if I want to check the console output, I can go against this endpoint here, /console, and here we have jobs finished without any failure. And we can also get all the log files that were created during this task. We go against this log endpoint. And for example, the file I'm interested in right now is this pre-upgrade.html file. So we can copy the link, put in a browser, and here we have the list of all pre-upgrade tests. And the first one here, we had a failure, but it has an auto fix up available. And we can scroll down and see the list of checks that were performed. If I check the status.log file through REST call, I see here that checks passed and no manual intervention needed, meaning this analyze was 100%. So now I go with deploy mode against the same task. So I don't need to provide the JSON file again because I'm rerunning it with deploy mode now. So here we see task was submitted. And if I want to get the console output, we see here the stage, it's on the pre-checks stage. Running the same command again, it's on the prefix up stage. Checking the console output again, still on prefix ups. Now start the DB upgrade stage. Of course, I'm speeding up a bit. If I want to check the logs files created again, I can go against this log endpoint. And here I run a screw up. So scrolling up, and I'm trying to find this one here. This is state.html. So I copy the link, I paste it on in the browser, and then I can now keep tracking of my upgrade job through web browser. I don't need to run REST API calls using this URL. You can also use your browser if you want. So checking again the state, we see here on the console output 10% upgraded. So we can also go against this progress endpoint to get the progress of this task. So here we have the attributes percent completed. We see 14, meaning we can also put this in a program and get the value using this REST call. So again, checking the console already now in the post upgrade, and job finished. So job finished without any errors. So my database was fully upgraded. All right, if I want to get the log files that were created again, I can here screw up. And we see here status.html. If I open this status.html and also the stats.log, so for the stats.log, we see that everything was success. And for status.html, we can open the browser and see that everything passed and everything was okay.